1 omega omega square are the cube roots of unity, then omega square into 1 plus omega whole cube minus 1 plus omega square into omega is equal to 4 options are there. Okay, here we are using this formula 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0. Okay, then 1 plus omega is minus omega square here, and 1 plus omega square is minus of omega, and omega plus omega square is minus of 1 here. Okay, here omega square write as it is here into 1 plus omega is minus omega square here raised to 3 minus of 1 plus omega square is a minus of omega here into omega. Okay, 1 plus omega is a minus omega square and 1 plus omega square is a minus of omega here. Okay, then here 3 is odd number here, so minus right as it is, so therefore minus of omega square here, and here 3 2s are 6 here, you can write omega cube raised to 2 here, and here minus into minus becomes a plus, omega into omega becomes omega square here. Okay, here 3 is an odd number, so write minus outside here, omega square raised to 3 becomes omega raised to 6 here, omega raised to 6 can be written in this form also, omega cube raised to 2 here, and you know that omega cube is equal to 1 here, so this becomes 1, therefore this is equal to minus omega square plus omega square, it becomes 0 here. Hence D is the answer here. So 0 is the answer here. If omega is a cube root of unity and 1 plus omega raised to 7 is equal to a plus b into omega, then a and b are the respectively the numbers 0 1 1 0 1 1 and minus 1 1 here. Okay, so here given equation is 1 plus omega raised to 7 is equal to a plus b into omega here. And you know that 1 plus omega is a minus omega square here, minus omega square raised to 7 is equal to a plus b into omega here, and here 7 is odd number here, so minus right as it is here, and omega raised to 7 to the 14 here, omega raised to 14 is equal to a plus b into omega here, and minus of omega raised to 14 is there, you can write omega raised to 3 raised to 4 here, 4 is 12 here, and 14 is there, as omega square is equal to a plus b omega here. Okay, here 3 4s are 12 here, 12 plus 2 becomes 14. Okay, so you are using laws of indices here, and you know that omega cube value is 1 here, so this becomes 1, so remaining here minus omega square here, hence minus omega square is equal to a plus b into omega here. Take minus omega square right hand side here, so 0 is equal to a plus b omega plus omega square here. So a plus b omega plus omega square is 0 here. When it is possible, then a value is 1 and b value is 1 here. Therefore, here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then this becomes 0, because we know that omega square plus omega plus 1 is 0. Okay, therefore when a value 1, b value is 1, according to this formula, it becomes 0 here. So the answer is third one is 1 comma 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 minus omega square plus omega raised to 4 into 1 minus omega raised to 4 plus omega raised to 8 dash 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 2n factors here. Okay, then 4 options are there. So 1 minus omega plus omega square here into then here 1 minus of omega square, then plus omega raised to 4 into 1 minus omega raised to 4 plus omega raised to 8 into 1 minus of omega raised to 8 here plus omega raised to 16 into dash 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 2 to n factors here, 2n factors. In this case, 1 minus omega plus omega square here into 1 minus of omega square here, and you know that omega raised to 4 value is omega, because omega cube is equal to 1 here. Hence omega raised to 4 becomes omega cube into omega is equal to omega. Then omega raised to 5 is omega cube into omega square is again omega square here. Like that omega raised to 8 here. Omega raised to 8 means omega cube raised to 2, 3 2s are 6 here. Then omega square here, it is equal to omega square, and so on here. Hence omega raised to 4 becomes omega here. So it is a plus omega. Then 1 minus of omega raised to 4 is omega here plus omega raised to 8 is omega square here. So it is omega square. Then 1 minus, okay, omega raised to 8 omega square plus omega raised to 16 here. So omega raised to 3 raised to 6 here. 6 is 18. Take 7. 7 is 21 here. Then into 16 here. So take here 5. 5 is 15 into omega. 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 becomes 16 here. Okay. Yes, so this becomes 1 here. 1 into omega becomes omega. So it is omega and so on here. Up to n factors. Up to 2n factors. Therefore, this is equal to, again you know this formula, 1 plus omega plus omega square is 0n. Hence 1 plus omega is minus omega square, or 1 plus omega square is minus of omega. Hence 1 plus omega square is there. Here is 1 plus omega square. 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Minus omega and middle term minus omega. So right here minus here. 1 plus omega square is minus omega and in middle term minus omega. So similarly 1 plus omega minus omega square minus of this omega square here into again 1 plus omega square is minus omega and a middle term minus omega into 1 plus omega minus omega square minus omega square and so on up to 2n factors here. 2n factors. Okay. Then minus omega minus omega minus 2 omega. Even here also minus omega minus 2 omega. Hence here minus omega square minus omega square. Here minus omega square minus omega square. So therefore alternately it changes here. Here first term minus omega. Second term is minus omega square minus omega square. Third term minus omega. Fourth term is minus omega square minus omega square. Then fifth term minus omega. Sixth term is minus omega square minus omega square. Alternately the same term will get here. Yes, we can write here minus omega minus 2 omega. And here it is a minus of 2 omega square. It is a minus of 2 omega, then minus 2 omega square and so on here up to 2n factors. Up to 2n factors here. Minus 2 omega minus 2 omega, minus into minus becomes a plus here. 2 into 2 becomes a 2 square here. 2 square omega into omega square here. Okay, you are multiplying these two terms here. Again multiply these two terms here. Okay, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 becomes a 2 square. omega square into omega square, omega raised to 4 here. Okay, here omega into omega becomes omega square, and here omega square into omega square is omega raised to 4, and here minus 2 into minus 2 becomes minus plus here, it is a 2 square here. So therefore up to n factors here, up to n factors, up to n factors here. Therefore this is equal to, so omega square and omega raised to 4 is what here? You know, omega raised to 4 value is omega. Hence 2 square into omega square. Then 2 square into omega raised to 4 is omega, and continue up to n factors here. Therefore 2 square and so on, how many factors here? 2 n factors here. Therefore you can write here 2 square raised to n here, and here omega square into omega becomes omega cube here up to n factors here. So therefore you not take here n factors, because already you have taken raised to n here. Omega square into omega is omega cube here, omega cube is 1. Therefore this is equal to what here? 2 raised to 2n here, 2 raised to 2n. Hence B is the correct option here. Okay, B is the correct option. Just observe here, 1 plus omega square is minus omega, and this minus omega. 1 plus omega minus omega square, and the middle term minus omega square, and so on here. It is a minus 2 omega, it is a minus 2 omega square, minus 2 omega, minus 2 omega square, and up to 2n factors here. You are multiplying this with this here. Hence 2 square into omega square, minus into minus plus. Multiplying these two here. So 2 square into omega raised to 4, omega raised to 2 into omega raised to 2 becomes omega raised to 4. Continue like that up to n factors here. Then 2 square, omega square keep as it is, omega raised to 4 becomes omega. Therefore 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, and so on, n factors are there. So it becomes 2 raised to 2 raised to n, and omega square into omega is omega cube. Even in the next term also you will get omega cube, omega cube, omega cube here like that. And you know omega cube value is 1 here. So 1 into this term is 2 raised to 2n here. So B is the correct option here. So 1 omega square are cube roots of unit here. Then product of 8 terms here. It's a product of 8 terms. Okay, 4 options are there. Just like a previous example here. Here total 8 terms are there. So 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 minus omega square plus omega raised to 4 into, in the next term here 1 minus omega cube plus omega raised to 6 here. Fourth term 1 minus omega raised to 4 plus omega raised to 8 here. Next 1 minus of omega raised to 5 plus omega raised to 10 here. Then into 1 minus of omega raised to 6 plus omega raised to 12 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1 plus 1 minus here, omega raised to 7 plus omega raised to 14 into 1 minus of omega raised to 8 plus omega raised to 16 here. Okay, so total 8 terms are there. Therefore this is equal to, here 1 minus omega plus omega square here, right here. Then 1 minus omega square, omega raised to 4 is omega here, so it is omega. Okay, because omega cube is 1 here, hence omega raised to 4 becomes omega, it is omega. Then 1 minus here omega cube is 1 here plus omega raised to 6 here, omega raised to 6 is omega square here. Okay, okay, because omega cube raised to 2, it is 1 here plus 1. Okay, omega raised to 6, omega raised to 6 is omega cube square here, it becomes 1 here, so it is 1 here. Okay, 1. then into bracket 1 minus omega raised to 4 is omega plus omega raised to 8 is omega square. Okay, omega raised to 8 is omega cube square into omega square, hence it is omega square. So it is omega square. Then 1 minus of omega raised to 5 is there. So omega raised to 5 is omega cube into omega square. So it is omega square. So it is omega square. Then plus omega raised to 10 is there. So omega raised to 10 means omega raised to 10 omega cube raised to 3 into omega. Okay, because 3 3s are 9 here. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. It is omega. So omega raised to 10 is omega. So 1 minus omega square plus omega. Then into 1 minus of again omega raised to 6. Omega raised to 6 is 1 here. Omega raised to 6 is 1. And omega raised to 12 here. So omega raised to 12 is omega raised to 3 raised to 4 is equal to 1 here. So right here plus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus 1. This is 1. Then minus 1 is a plus 1. Then into 1 minus of omega raised to 7 is there. So omega raised to 7. Then omega cube raised to 2. 3 2s are 6 into omega plus 1. So it is omega. So right here omega. Omega raised to 14 is there. So omega raised to 14. Then omega cube raised to 4 into omega square. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14 here. Hence it is omega square here plus omega square. Omega raised to 14 omega square. Omega raised to 7 is omega. Then into 1 minus of omega raised to 8 here. Omega raised to 8 is omega square. So right here omega square plus. And omega raised to 16 here omega raised to 16 is omega cube raised to 4 3s are 12 here. 4 4s are 15. So 15 into omega. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 becomes 16 here. Yes sir, here it is omega. So it is omega. Okay. Therefore this is equal to, you know that 1 plus omega square is minus omega. Minus omega minus omega. It is a minus of 2 omega. 1 plus omega minus omega square. This minus omega square is a minus of 2 omega square. And plus 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Remaining is 1 here. So it is 1. Plus 1 and minus 1 cancels here. Then 1 plus omega square is a minus omega. Minus omega minus omega. Minus of 2 omega here. Okay. It is a minus of 2 omega. Then again 1 minus 1 plus omega is a minus omega square. Minus omega square minus omega square. Minus of 2 omega square here. Then here plus 1 and minus 1 cancels. Remaining is 1 here. So right here 1. 1 plus omega square is omega square. Yes. 1 plus omega square minus omega. Minus omega minus omega. Minus of 2 omega. Then into. Then 1 plus omega is a minus omega square. Minus omega square minus omega square is a minus of 2 omega square. Therefore this is equal to, just observe here. There are 6 times minus here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So minus 2 raised to 6 here. Into omega square is omega cube here. So how many times omega cube? 3 times here. So therefore omega cube raised to 3. Omega into omega square is omega. Omega cube here. Omega into omega square is omega cube. Omega into omega square is omega cube. Therefore 3 times omega cube here. So this becomes 1 here. And 6 is a even number. Minus becomes a plus here. Therefore this equal to 2 raised to 6 here. So first option is correct here. 2 raised to 6 is the answer.